I've spoken to a lot of car owners over the season, and I was very fascinated by how our petrol heads go out and they'll buy a skeleton of a car and rebuild it from the engine up. And I wanted to know, where can I go to get my car pimped out in Ekasi? That's when I heard about Yanga, who owns the Thandolwethu Motor Trimmers. Now I want to know how he can help me out. So let's go check it out. I'm here with Yanga, who is the owner of the Thandolwethu Motor Trimmers. Now, I want to know, how did you come about acquiring this business?
Okay, we started, we're working for one of the leading company doing motor trimming.
Okay.
So the company was doing it for the VW, most of the car dealers, Toyota and all that.
Okay.
So
also they would outsource to you guys?
No, I was working for that company.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's where the whole skill came from. And we decided, no, we want to do it for the Kasi guys now.
Right.
Because the Kasi guys doesn't know that when buying a car, after you bought the car, say from VW, then you can also, there are people that are doing the motor trimming.
Yes.
So that's how we got about.
What kind of trimmings do you do?
Okay, we do leather trimming, we do vinyl trimming, your cloth, depending on the client, what he wants.
Okay, and if I was to bring my car, what information would I need to give you to get the design that I want?
Okay, normally the client just says what color he wants, and then most of the clients, we designed the seats for them.
I know. This is Nothando over here, who's a seamstress at Thandolwethu Motor Trimmers. Sisi, I took busy, I just want to ask you a couple of questions. How long have you been working here?
Since the company started.
Since the company started?
Yes.
How? Are you a shareholder? Maybe something that you need to think about. So what are you busy with now?
Just finishing this cover seat.
Oh, it's a seat cover?
Yeah.
All right, how long does it take you to do one whole seat cover?
Less than 30 minutes.
Less than 30 minutes for one seat cover?
Yeah.
Oh no, that must be amazing then. What are the common trends that people come with?
Commonly what people like is, they like using vinyl.
Oh,
yes,
leather.
Yes.
I don't know if you guys remember Joe, but he was here at Fill Up the Caddy swag event, right?
Yes, bro.
And Joe, this is a transahau, hey, marupis, wait. So what did you bring your car here to do now?
Ke tlo tjhena di-seats mfethu. Yeah.
What happened to your previous seats? Why didn't you do it?
Di taborile, man, di fedile.
Was it from the swag event?
No, before.
Okay, so then you are just chacharak.
No, not besides, like, every time we used to like Thandolwethu koloi, and then like you need to come up with the better seats.
All
every
right,
time,
yes. Why did you bring it to Mokasi? Why didn't you go to town?
Yo, I prefer go kasi mfethu go support go kasi ke yona ntse ke etsang haholo. Yeah, because when you go out, ha ba butisa hore mfethu di tlhaga kae mfethu. But no, they from Kokasi.
Yeah,
everyone know Makala Valley. Kokasi.
Absolutely, yeah.
Even though I want to white thing, this tishy, the young.
No, but I mean, they're really doing their thing. Now, you know, Kasi has the know-how and the skills to make your car look good. So all you need to do is work on your imagination. Once you get that going, you should get hold of guys like Yang over here. And once your car is done and pimped out, let the world know, Guti, your car was tuned in Ekasi. Awe Yang.
Sure.
Keep doing what you do.
Thank you, bro.